comes the Samsung F12 phone for all of you. I ordered it from Flipkart and it came in just a day. So let's check out the features. Before we try to find out whether it's a budget friendly phone, let's check out what all it has in this compact phone. So here I'm trying to unbox the phone and then let's see what it is. So this F12 Galaxy phone has a processor of 850 Exynos. And before I go ahead, I want you all to like my video and share with your friends and families for further such videos. Kindly do support me. So let's see the box. Oh, it looks nice and let me try to open it. Let me turn around. Yes, here the boxes, and backside it has all the features mentioned as to the camera, the software, rear camera options. Here the 48 megapixel primary camera and 5 megapixel ultra wide angle camera sensor is there, and 2 MP depth sensor and 2 MP macro lenses. So that's what is mentioned here. So let me now open the box and see what we have. The Galaxy F12 ships with a minimum compared to other adjacent rivals, that is. Here's what you do get in the box apart from the phone. So here the phone is 6.5 inches the display screen and 90 Hertz refresh rate. Display is with a punch hole, and backside if you see there's a cover. Let's remove it off. The design is quite nice. I liked it, but it's slightly heavy. It's more than 200 grams. And then the box consists of a charger, a 15-watt fast charger, and a 6000 mAh battery. And then they have a Type C port including in the box. There's a SIM tool ejector and some documentations that we will find in this box with the phone. Sorry, we don't have a earphone here because it's a budget friendly phone, and you will find it only, I guess, about 20,000 rupees models here. Let's see what we have on this phone now. So what we can see to the sides is a side mounted fingerprint ambient light, G sensor proximity, and you have a power on and off button there, and volume keys. And this software is One UI 3.1 based on Android 11. It has a dual SIM, nano plus nano SIM, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and a 3.5 mm audio jack, and as I said, Type C port. So let's check out some photos which I took from this phone, and you comment me below in the section as to would you like to buy this phone. For me, it's a budget friendly phone and it has all the special features required for you to buy.